Alright, I'm back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a login application in JavaFX. So as you can see, I already created the design, the scene. So what I'm going to do now is to write the source code. First thing we need to do is to show the login.fxml. So what I'm gonna do now is to write the border pane. I am using the border pane layout from the scene builder, this one. So border pane root equals fxml loader load the class resource fx login.fxml. So let's import the border pane and fxml loader. And there's another error, so I'm gonna throw an exception. So next is to create the scene. What I'm gonna put in the scene parameter is the border pane, the object root. So let's import the scene builder, the scene and then stage that set scene then stage that set title. Let's say login. So I want the stage to cannot be resizable, so let's say stage that set resizable false, and then stage that show. Alright, I guess I am done. So let's try to run this application if it is working. Yes, it's working. So in this application I put some CSS styles. I'm gonna show the CSS styles later. So this is the styles: border pane style, linear gradient, button hover, and the press. So I'm gonna write the logic here. So add some mouse click event. Let's say login, and then save. Go back to netbeans and make import. No, not make import, make controller. Right. Codes were generated. So I'm gonna create an statement here. Let's say I'm gonna use F statement. F text username that get text that equals. So I'm gonna set the default username and add password here. So let's say the username is admin and the password is maybe admin password. So set text password that get text that equals admin password. This is the default one. So if the details is correct, so we will show some message if the correct details was entered. So alert. Information, because this is correct, so I'm gonna put information. Alert that set title to login, and then set the content, set content to success. I'm gonna put some header. Alert, let's set header. Header text. We'll say how about Kensoft PH. Login success. Right. And we will show the alert. Alert that show. What if the user entered invalid credentials? So else, I'm gonna copy this code and we will replace this to error, and error. No, not this one. Username or password. Password is invalid, and the header is login error. Login failed. Login failed. Alright, let's try to run if this is working. So I'm gonna put an invalid credentials. Let's say admin and then admin. Click on login. It says login failed. Username or password is invalid. How about the credentials is correct? Admin password. What? Copy this code. This text. Login. Yes, login success. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on the next video.